Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Facebook error. So if you try to add some post and you receive error, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, open the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, just scroll up and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. After, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And also you can turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general, just scroll down, just find here shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try to install updates on your Facebook. So just go to App Store, just write in search tab Facebook and just tap on if you see here not open but update, just tap on update button and it will successfully download and install the latest updates on your Facebook. So this is a way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.